What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Shane and welcome to another quick episode here on 5-Star Cars. Just a quick one, guys. It's an idea I've come up with, so hopefully you'll get on board and give me a help out. So the idea I've come up with is I want to find out who's your top 5 car YouTubers of 2020. I don't see anybody else doing it, and I'm going to make a poll, but I need suggestions in the comments below. So hopefully you guys will all comment below about who you think should be in it. I'm going to make a straw poll. I'll put in as many channels as I can. We'll run it every day up until January 1st, and January 1st I'll reveal who basically won or who the top 5 were. Because I just thought it'd be something different, it'll be fun. So I will make a proper video about this with the poll out tomorrow. Tomorrow will probably be 2 videos, so my normal video tomorrow, and then the straw polls video of that as well. So guys, get involved. If you're first time clicking on this video or seeing the channel, do subscribe, hit it a like, get this video high, guys. Definitely get the suggestions in. I think it'd be pretty cool to find out. Share it, let other people know, that we're doing a poll about the 2020 car channel of the year. It would be pretty sick, I think. And look, we're going to be running it all month up until January 1st. So get in with your suggestions, get commenting, let everybody know, and we should figure it out who we're going to put into this list for tomorrow. So I've already come up with a few channels that I will put in there. I'll put in as many as I can, make as fair as I can. But we'll have a full discussion about it tomorrow, and we shall have the straw poll up tomorrow along with my normal video tomorrow as well. So thanks very much, guys. If you've checked out this video, do consider subscribing, hit the like button, definitely comment below again, and we'll see you tomorrow on the next video where we shall find out who we're going to add into it. All right, thank you, see you later, bye, and keep it lit.